welcome back. I'm so happy to be here. I am really excited because I wanted to do a video on some spring dresses. I don't know about you, but I am over it when it comes to winter. So I went on to Revolve and Shopbop, which are two of my favorite places to go, especially for dresses. They have just a lot of fun, interesting things. So I picked out a bunch of different things, and I actually wore this little number on Easter, and I will insert a picture so you can see the whole look. So yeah, let's get into the video. So you can see I am wearing my Love Shack Fancy pink dress, and it is a really fun dress to wear. It's got so many different textures and so much interest, and I absolutely love the color. The color's a little bit washed out here. It's more of an actual pink, which I absolutely love. And then I paired it with my new Gucci belt and my favorite Leffler Randall slides. Okay, this next dress is by Hement and Nandita, and you can see a big problem, which is it is like wide open at the neck. It'd be easy to have that stitched up if you wanted to. I'm actually not a fan of the colors. Like, I don't really like the ivory, and the pink was a little dusty for me. This next dress is by Yumi Kim, not sure how to pronounce it. And I love the style. I like the color, but it's 100% polyester, which is a fabric that I do not like to wear. I like to wear natural fibers and things that are more breathable. So unfortunately, this one's gonna have to be a no for me, dog. Okay, so this dress I absolutely love. It is by DL 1961. And I feel like it is the perfect denim dress. So it can be conservative, or if you're like, say, going to Vegas, you want show a little more skin. You can unbutton the top and bottom buttons, give it a little sexy vibe, but it's super comfortable. You can switch it up with different belts. It looks really good with wedges. Yeah, I love it. Okay, my next piece is not actually a dress, but it is a really cute pink and white gingham top that I got on Shopbop. The brand is Playa Lucila, and it's just a super fun little summer top. I absolutely love how it looks with white jeans, and especially my new belt, and you know that those jeans just got some belt loops, so I'm super pumped actually about this whole outfit for spring. Okay, this next dress is by Jonathan Simkhai Standard, and it is really cute. I really love the style. It is acid washed, so it's got like an 80s vibe to it. But overall, I just really love the fit. I think it is such a cute and fun style for summer. Okay, this last dress is so much fun. I thought for sure that this would be the dress I picked for Easter because of all the super fun pastel colors, which I absolutely love. It's by English Factory. I got it in a size small, and I love it, and it fit me really well. It was just, I'm not really a long dress person, so I didn't know how many times I would actually wear it. I did love too that it has pockets, so yeah, but if this is your style, I would definitely get this dress. Okay guys, let me know what you thought. I had a ton of fun buying and trying on these clothes, so I know for sure I'm keeping this dress and the button-down denim. Those were definitely my two faves. And I am also obsessed with my new Gucci belt, and I am going to do a review, a video specifically about that belt, probably next week. So anyway, let me know what you thought. Happy spring, And don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.